Symptoms of illness: sneezing, high blood pressure, migraine, bloodshot eyes, bad breath, coughing, dizziness, fever, vomiting. Going to the doctor. How are you feeling today? I have a cough. When did it start? 4 days ago. Do you have any other symptoms? I have a fever. Let me look at your chest. I'm going to give you a prescription of cough syrup. How much should I take? Take 1 teaspoon every 4 hours. You will feel better in a few days. Okay, 1 teaspoon every 4 hours. Skeleton, skull, shoulder blade, collarbone, rib, rib cage, spine, pelvis, tailbone, bone, skeleton, endocrine system, pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal glands, eye, eyelash, eyebrow, eyelid, cornea, pupil, iris or iris, lens, tear, optic nerve, retina, eyeball, the digestive system, mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, anus, appendix, rectum, heart, superior vena cava, aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, mitral valve, left atrium, aortic valve, left ventricle, right ventricle, inferior vena cava, tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, right atrium,